Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So one way to spice up your phone and keep you interested is to put a skin on it. So I've had that clear matte skin on my device, my Galaxy Note 9, since I got it, and I decided to buy something different. Now the first thing that jumped out at me was these checkered patterns that appear on this particular skin right here that I got from Slickwraps, and I guess I'll leave a link down below. You can decide whether or not you want to pick up this one, but it comes in two colors. Now this color right here appears to be more silver or gray, which is why I went with this color over the more darker color, but this is more like a really cream or tan like white color, and it does have a hint of silver or gray every now and then, but overall this is definitely leaning more towards a white color. So I'm going to dim the light up here, and now you can see what it looks like in just regular lighting with no artificial lighting. This is definitely not a good representation of what's on the website, but I do like this pattern, and it doesn't look bad. And I was wondering if the fingerprint reader would work with this, but it obviously does not. So you have to use the biometrics, the bio intelligent scan, and you'll be able to get into the phone. But you know, all that aside, you know, the phone looks a lot better. Again, I wish this was a little darker. I probably should have went with the darker one, but I ordered this a long time ago along with several other skins, and you know, they just take so long to ship because these are 70% off, and so they take 2 weeks to get to you, you know, unlike D brand. But I do like this skin, man, and coupled with my Rinky case right here, I think it looks good. I got my white Galaxy Note that I've always wanted. You really can't tell, man. You really can't tell. I really like this, but here it is inside of the Rinky case, and I would try it on with the outer box too. Let's try it on. And someone asked about, do cases work, these skins work well with cases, taking them on and off, and the answer is yes. As you can see here, I'm popping it in and out of the cases and there's no problems at all. So yeah, this white color, it's a cool color. And I just put this skin on, and I'm already taking it in and out of cases, and there's no lifting on the corners or anything. But if you were thinking about spicing up your Galaxy Note 9, you can get a D brand or a Slickwrap or anywhere else you buy skins from, and I think you'll be happy all over again. This is the device of the year for me this year for 2018 as far as flagships go. The video is up. I'll try to remember to link it down below. There's also a video that I did for budget phones. You should be able to check that out. But if you ever want to spice up your phone and you start to get bored, all you got to do is put a skin on it, change the case. It'll feel like a whole new device. It's your man Jay Will. See you in the next video. Take care.